welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this tiny little light that is amazingly awesome. This is by a company called Haiyishu, and this is an RGB sunset lamp slash fill light for filming or for video conferencing, TikTok, whatever you want to use it for. This thing, it's so little, it's so tiny, but it is very cool. It does way more than I even suspected when I bought it. And I'm going to get into all that in just a second. First, let's talk really quick about what comes in the box. You get the light in the box. You also get a charging cord because this has its own battery and is rechargeable, so you don't have to have it plugged in when you're using it. It also comes with a cool little tripod that you can attach this to in order to set it somewhere. So that's what comes in the box. This light, really awesome. First, you get that sunset lamp. You see that you got that dome there, and then there's an LED inside there, and it's RGB. So you can get all the different color temperatures from green to blue to red to yellow to purple from this, and it's that cool sunset pattern. It's got that globe that produces this nice round lighting effect, and you can use that in a lot of different ways. You can use it to light something where you don't see the circle, you just see the color light, but you can also use the round circle for an effect as well, which is cool. If that's all this had, that would be awesome, because it's fully adjustable from 0 to 100% of brightness, and at its brightest, it is crazy how bright this little tiny thing is with that, and the fact that you can get all those brightness levels. But that's not all this has. Around here, this white part, that's not just dead space, that's a fill light. And it's a fully capable, again, can get very bright fill light, and it's fully adjustable from that more bluish white light to the more warmer yellowish tone of white light, and anywhere in between. So you can fully adjust that fill light as well. And so you can use this, you can have this on your camera, and you can use it for both purposes, which is great. But that's not all, there's more. This also has some really cool programs built into it, which I did not even know when I bought it. So for example, it has a program that causes the sunset light to flash between blue and red. So if you were using that in, say, a film sequence, for example, it gives the appearance that there's a police car outside, and the light from the police car is coming through the window, or whatever the situation may be. There's one that emulates an ambulance. There's one that emulates if there was a thunderstorm with lightning flashing. And there's like 20 different programmable things. One just goes between different color lights. But one gives the effect of TV, as if there's TV light reflecting off the walls in the room. So, I mean, that's crazy. On top of that, this has all the features you would want in any fill light. It has cold shoe mounts on all three sides so that you can attach a microphone or something else. It has the cold shoe mount itself on the bottom to mount onto a cold shoe, as well as your standard tripod screw mount in order to mount it onto a tripod. Also, I forgot to mention this, in the box, there's also a cold shoe clip mount. So you can put this into that, and then it has a clip on it to allow you to clip it to things that you otherwise wouldn't be able to attach a light like this to. So that's brilliant. You've got this nice little LCD display in the back. It's really easy to see the program you're on, the battery level, as well as the brightness level, the temperature, if you're changing the temperature of the light, all very visible. You've got your Type-C charging port in the back, and you've got your power button, which you long press to power on, and then you press once to switch between the three different modes. So really, really cool. It also has this nice little temperature color guide. So if you're changing the color of the sunset lamp, you don't have to guess what temperature equals what color. They have the guide here for you. Just a little bit of a bonus. They thought of everything. The controls are really easy to change the brightness level. It's a spring control here. You just go down or up, and then on the other side to control the temperature or change the program. Anything that you could possibly think of putting in a light like this, they did. And it's so tiny, but like I said, it is powerful. I'm just so impressed because I bought this mainly for use as for the sunset lamp aspect of it, not even realizing that it had all these other features. This is an excellent product if you're looking for a fill light, if you're looking for a sunset lamp, if you're looking for any type of lighting to help with filming or video conferencing, TikTok videos, things like that. You got to get this because you will find multiple uses for this. This is an excellent product and definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.